In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for coaching calls. Whether you're a seasoned coach or just starting out, Calendly is a fantastic tool that simplifies appointment scheduling, making it easy for both you and your clients. We'll walk through how to get set up step by step, ensuring you can focus more on coaching and less on logistics. First, you'll need to head over to the Calendly website. This is where all the magic happens. Calendly is an online appointment scheduling software designed to streamline meeting arrangements. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button at the top right of the page and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you already have one, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you should be directed to the Calendly homepage. This is your main control center where you can manage all your scheduling activities. From here, you'll want to create a new event. Look for the Create button, which allows you to customize how you set up meetings. Click on it to get started. This is where you'll breathe life into your coaching calls, setting up the specific parameters that suit your needs. Once you've clicked Create, you'll see several options for different types of events. For coaching calls, it's best to choose one-on-one. This option is perfect as it allows you to schedule personalized sessions with individual clients. After selecting one-on-one, you'll be prompted to choose the medium of communication. Here, you want to click on Phone, as we'll be using a phone call format for these coaching sessions. This is ideal for coaches who prefer voice interactions, ensuring a direct and personal connection with clients. As you set this up, remember to specify your availability. Calendly lets you define times when you're free for coaching calls, allowing clients to pick a slot that works best for them without any back-and-forth emails. It's a good idea to update these availability settings regularly to reflect any changes in your schedule. In conclusion, Calendly takes the hassle out of scheduling by automating much of the process. With your Calendly account set up for one-on-one coaching calls, you'll save time and provide a seamless booking experience for your clients. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your coaching appointments more effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and happy scheduling with Calendly.